This is where the Lord of the Rings saga started. This is where Frodo came running to Gandalf and asked, "Did you buy the Hobbiton Tour ticket?" Wait, what? Sorry, let's rewind back a bit. This all started for us from this small town of Pokeno. Pokeno is about 50 kilometers from Auckland, and you have to travel 120 kilometers further to reach the magical Hobbiton. Early morning itself, we started for Hobbiton on the beautiful scenic roads. Our journey also took us through the town of Hamilton. After about 75 minutes, finally we arrived at our destination, the Hobbiton Movie Set. We arrived at the Shire's Rest and parked our car. You need to book your tickets much in advance, else you may not get them. There are different kinds of tours available. We went in for the plain vanilla movie set tour. For each adult, it cost us around 120 New Zealand dollars. There is a bus leaving for the set every 10 minutes. First thing you do is collect your tickets and your beautiful pamphlet and the map, and then board the bus as per your schedule. This movie set is built on a 12-acre patch of Alexander's 1250-acre farm. Hobbiton holds the Guinness World Record for the largest purpose-built movie set. Within a short time, we reached the Hobbiton entrance and were ready to have our slice of this Middle Earth. The plan was to get through all the Hobbit holes, the famous party field, the mill house, and then finally into the Green Dragon Inn. If you wish to hop on a tour of the magical Hobbiton, this is the video for you. First place you would come upon is the famous Gandalf's cutting. This is where everything started. Each hobbit hole is different sized. For example, the blue and green door are 60% to human scale, which was to make Gandalf appear larger, while the yellow and light blue are 90% in scale, that gives smaller appearance to the hobbits. Then you come across the dell. You can see the back end from here and we'll be ascending towards that. The dell is a small community of 7 hobbit holes. It has its own pond along with shared vegetable gardens and fruit orchard. Then you proceed on hill lane towards Bag End, on way you can admire the detailing that has gone into the hobbit holes. Also, you can find the cheesemonger's house, outside which beautiful delicacies are kept on the windows. Of course, not natural. Fun fact, all these hobbit holes were used for exterior filming. All the interior scenes were actually filmed at Stone Street Studios in Wellington. This set was built during the Lord of the Rings trilogy in 2001 to 2003 and then dismantled. Again, during the Hobbit series, it was rebuilt. At the end, it was decided to keep it as it is and preserve this awesome experience for us movie fans. On way, you will find the artist Hobbit hole. This provides a glimpse of the structural interior behind the doors. Finally, at the top, you arrive at the Bag End. The oak tree that you see today is actually not natural. After Lord of the Rings, when The Hobbit was about to be filmed, this tree was not the same. So to make it appear exactly similar to the LOTR tree, it was made out of artificial materials and each leaf was stuck to it one by one. There are 376,000 leaves. For LOTR, 39 Hobbit holes were built, while for The Hobbit, the number was 44. And those 44 are the ones that one can see in this place. So after visiting the Bilbo Baggins house, after visiting the main house here in Hobbiton, we are down on our way. It's a complete 1 hour trip where you walk through all the houses, Hobbit houses, and let's head towards our tour guide. Then you come across the party field, which was the setting for Bilbo Baggins' 111th birthday party. This scene required 100 background artists and was filmed for over 4 days. Finally, you arrive at the final set of Hobbit homes, the 3 Bagshot Row, home of Sam, Frodo's loyal friend. Here you are allowed to step inside one of the Hobbit homes and have the experience of how it actually would have looked like.
Did you get the sun? What? Did you get the sun?
and towards the end you go towards the Mill House and the Green Dragon Inn. So the Mill House and the stone double arch bridge across to the Green Dragon Inn appear throughout both the movies. Inside the Green Dragon Inn, at the end, enjoy your complimentary Hobbit beverage from the bar. We chose the non-alcoholic ginger beer. You get to spend about 15-20 minutes in the inn, and post that your tour ends and you proceed towards Shire's Rest, where you can buy yourself some amazing souvenirs. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thank you for watching.